What if the sun, our star, just exploded right now? Not tomorrow, not in 5 billion years, but in this exact moment. Suppose it's a normal day. You're walking outside, birds chirping, and as usual, the sky is blue. And then, somewhere out there, a star explodes. Yet, for 8 whole minutes, Earth remains unaware, still basking in the sun's glow, still alive, because light takes time, 93 million miles. 8 minutes of borrowed time before everything changes. The sun collapses instantly into a supernova-level explosion. Though our sun isn't massive enough to go supernova, let's bend that rule. Its core implodes and then booms, launching outward energy millions of times greater than humanity's entire nuclear arsenal. This explosion forges heavy elements, gold, uranium, oxygen, the atoms in your lungs and blood, in a single moment. Yet, Earth still appears untouched. Because the explosion's energy, its photons, gamma rays, neutrinos, and shockwave are only beginning their journey across space at light speed. Meanwhile, on Earth, everything seems normal. Sunlight filters through your window. Your shadow casts on the sidewalk. But that shadow is already the last one you'll ever cast. These 8 minutes become the calm before the storm. People across the planet go about their days. Just another ordinary day. Except the sun is dead, and heading our way along with the last sunlight, a wave of gamma rays, X-rays, neutrinos, silent killers, all invisible, all racing toward Earth. Then it arrives, 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the sun's destruction. The sunlight becomes blinding white, shadows vanish, reality distorts. Then, blackness. A pulse of radiation blasts the atmosphere. Our ozone layer is shredded, the magnetic field collapses. Cosmic rays flash across the sky. Electronics fry. Satellites fail. Planes plummet. Communication dies. Worldwide, panic spreads like wildfire. Then the shockwave arrives. The shockwave, composed of pure stellar plasma, millions of degrees hot, slams into Earth. It rips away the upper atmosphere, erasing clouds, oxygen, and pressure. Cities ignite instantly. Steel bends, concrete vaporizes, oceans boil, forests vanish. Earth becomes a smoldering ember in space. The planet turns into a glowing ball of molten devastation. No sound, just heat, radiation, and utter darkness. With the sun gone, Earth's gravity loosens its grip. We loosen our orbit and drift into the galaxy, untethered. Hours later, well below freezing. Days later, averaging 50 degrees Celsius. Weeks in approaching 100 degrees Celsius. Surface life obliterated. Oceans freeze solid. Cities collapse beneath ice. Majority of life extinct. Only tiny pockets deep underground geothermal vents or nuclear bunkers might preserve human life temporarily. But no sunlight equals no food, no air, no future. Here's the reality check. Our sun cannot go supernova, it's too small. Instead, in about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, gently consuming inner planets, then shed its layers and shrink into a white dwarf. So, the catastrophic explosion scenario is fictional. But why think about it? Because it forces us to confront how fragile life truly is, how our existence depends on sunlight, gravity, magnetic fields, seamless physics. It makes the everyday feel miraculous. Now I have to ask, if Earth had exactly 8 minutes left, no escape, no warning, what would you do? Would you hug someone, run, scream, or just stare up as the last light fades? Leave your answer below. I'll feature the most powerful ones in the next video. If this shattered your expectations, smash that subscribe button before it sublimates into stardust.